At Skin Space, we know winter can be one of the most damaging seasons for your skin. And most people don't even realize what they're doing wrong. One of the biggest winter mistakes is skipping professional treatments altogether. Cold weather is actually when your skin needs the most support. Another common mistake is over-exfoliating. Dry winter skin doesn't need more scrubs. It needs repair, hydration, and barrier protection. Hot showers may feel good, but they strip your skin of essential moisture and leave it irritated and dehydrated. Many people also stop wearing sunscreen in winter. But UV damage doesn't take a season off, especially with winter sun and snow reflection. And the biggest mistake of all? Waiting until spring to fix your skin. January is repair season. Less sun, better healing, better results. Start now and let your glow build all year long. And it starts here, at Skin Space.